This is a second part of chromosomal theory of sex determination. We see in part 1 the heterogametic males, and in this video we are going to discuss about heterogametic females. The chromosomal theory of sex determination indicates that sex determination is dependent upon chromosomes. Heterogametic means dissimilar sex chromosomes are present in females. In this type of chromosomal sex determination, the male sexes possess two homogametic X chromosomes, means a similar XX condition. Therefore, they are homogametic and produces single type of gametes, that is, each carries a single X chromosome. In females, either consist of single X or one X and one Y chromosome. In female sex, thus heterogametic condition produces two types of eggs. Half of the eggs have a X chromosome and half eggs have no X chromosome, or in some cases Y chromosome is there. To avoid confusion about the heterogametic male conditions, the letters XX or XY are changed with a Z and W alphabets. This kind of sex determination mechanism called as Abraxas mechanism of sex determination. The heterogametic females may be of following two types. One is ZZ-ZO system, that is the similar ZZ condition, or dissimilar ZO. O is absence of that chromosome. This system of sex determination is found in moths, butterflies and domestic chickens. In this case, the female possesses single Z chromosome in its body cells, hence referred as ZO. This is heterogametic condition, that means it produces two kinds of eggs, 50% eggs or half eggs with a Z chromosome and half without any Z chromosome. The male possesses two Z chromosomes, that is ZZ. This homogametic condition produces all similar single type of sperms. Each one carries a single Z chromosome. This may be explained, this may be understood with help of this diagram. ZOZZ condition of sex in butterflies. In case of male, there is a ZZ condition. You can observe in this diagram, and due to which all the sperms have a similar condition, that is Z, and female has ZO, that is it develops a two types of eggs. 50% eggs are having a Z chromosome and 50% eggs have a no Z chromosome. Hence, this shows that ZZ-ZO determination of sex in butterflies. Next one is ZZ-ZW, means females have single Z and termed as ZO. In this type, ZZ-ZW condition. In birds, butterflies, moth, this condition. In fishes and females also has this condition, that is heterogametic. To avoid the confusion, here also the letters XY are replaced with ZW, and this can be elaborated with help of this diagram. That is, male has a set of autosomes and set of chromosome which is similar, ZZ. In case of female, this diagram you can see the female has AA autosomes and sex chromosomes are ZW. Means two types of eggs are developed, and hence the heterogametic condition is seen in female, two types of eggs and sperms which are all similar, AZ. And this way the chromosomes determines the sex of that individual. In this way, chromosomal theory of sex determination is studied with help of the sex chromosomes and presence of their heterogametic or homogametic condition. This is a part of chromosomal theory of sex